Hi, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I remove my faux locks. It's super easy if you follow my routine and method of how I actually install my faux locks, and I'll leave a video in the cards and down below. But yeah, it's super quick, super easy, and yeah, if you want to know how to do it, then just keep watching. Also, if you want to know how I got this lovely pink look, I will leave a video down below as well. But yes, cute, isn't it? And I think it really goes to my faux locks, but it's time to take them out. I've had them in since like beginning to the mid-February, and yeah, that's about 7 to 8 weeks, which is quite a long time, and I usually leave my locks in for that long anyway. But yeah, it's time to have a change. I'm going to be doing an exciting new lock video coming up in the next week or so as well, so stay tuned for that. But let's just get right to it. Right, I'm going to show you one closest to my head, and basically if you see my lock tutorial video, I explain how I wrap it all the way down to the end and then I start to wrap it back up as well. And what you should do when you're wrapping your faux locks is really important. You need to make sure it's wrapped down past your hair, so when you wrap it back up, your hair is completely cocooned, which is why I call like my way of doing faux locks the cocoon method. So as you can see here, this is sort of where I've started to wrap it back up. So what I do is I just take the scissors, snip off the end, pull down. Now as you pull down, you'll be able to feel your hair underneath. So what you just do is just pull it out, start to separate your hair, your twist from the extension. Sometimes I get a bit matted and that's fine, but that is it. As you can see, that is my hair there, and I know it looks really straggly, but that is because it has been like twisted for like 2 months. I'll probably do like some videos with me with my afro out to see that my hair is fine afterwards. But my hair still has oil residue from what I used the shea butter like on my hair in February, and I can still feel the oil residue like 2 months later. It doesn't smell at all. It still smells of the essential oils that I use and I explained in my look tutorial. I'm going to show you another one on this side. Hopefully that's in view. But you can see how much it's outgrown. And what I'm going to do is take the scissors, take it down to the base, snip it off, pull it down. So you just pull down a lot. Find my hair at the top, pull my hair through. That's my hair twisted with the anchor, like you can see in my method. I'm just going to separate my hair. That's my hair here, I separated it, and simply that's the look. This is my hair. Simple as that. I was going to do my hair. Right, as you can see there's some white stuff there, but that isn't actually any product build-up. It's just shea butter residue, which I explained how I leave shea butter in my hair in the locks whilst they're in there, so it keeps them nice and moisturised. But as you can see, as I smooth my hair down, it just disappears and dissolves back into oils. Yeah, look, I've just removed it with my fingers then. It's gone. Absolutely nothing there. All gone. Separate my hair. And if I wasn't recording, I do this really quickly and I'm less hard up here. I'm less gentle with my hair as well. So I do it really quickly and I can have this out in like an hour. But yeah, that is my hair there. And that is it. Done. That is it. Right, so this is just me showing you another one of how I easily take down my hair. Usually when I take it out, I don't separate them straight away. I actually do it in bulk. But this is me just showing you. I don't know if you can see, but on my fingertips, can you see how shiny it is?
But yeah, this is me just like separating my hair and trying to shade the oil residue on my hair still after 2 months later when I put shea butter in. So my hair is nice and it smells nice too.
Now, I don't know if you found that video helpful. This is how to take down the faux locks using my method, and because of the way I wrap my hair, that's why it is so easy to take down. And that is why I think there's minimal like product builder and stuff like that. But yeah, that's how I take down my hair. I don't know if I'll show you like a before and after either, just because my hair will be like really just it'll just need a wash, and I just won't feel comfortable coming back on camera with my hair out like that. But don't worry, I will be back next week with my hair out in an afro just for a few days before I put it back into locks, so you can see what it looks like afterwards as well, and see if I got any updates or anything on my hair as well. But yeah, oh, anyways, that is it. Sorry the video is so short, and I'm sorry if anyone was expecting any more to it, but that is literally it. It's that simple. Thank you for watching if you got this far, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.